Hi guys, so today I'm going to be going around my home and disinfecting all the little surfaces that we don't really think about, but obviously we touch all the time and need to be wiped down. As you guys know, this coronavirus is going around. I'm not really worried about it. As far as me personally, I feel like they're hyping it up to a major extent, but it doesn't hurt to take precautions, and I don't want to get sick, period. So the stuff I'm going to be using, I have this Purell multi-surface disinfectant. This is the citrus scent, and it says disinfects food contact surfaces, worry-free around kids, pets, and food. I picked this up a while back on clearance, I think at Staples or Office Max. I have a couple of them. But it has no bleach, no harsh fumes or chemicals, and disinfects and deodorizes. I'm also going to be using these Clorox disinfecting wipes. This is Scentiva. This is the Pacific Breeze and Coconut. This is just for, I don't know, like convenience. I'm probably going to use mostly this. Just kind of going over things, and if you guys got some stuff to clean or disinfect, and especially if you have kids, I would definitely disinfect. So let's just go around and get started. I also decided to do a quick load of laundry for just some towels, and I used my Lysol laundry sanitizer, which has 0% bleach, but I wanted to just sanitize them. So I did a quick load. If you guys need more cleaning motivation and organization motivation, definitely check out my other videos, and I will link some down below in the description box as well as at the end of this video. Don't forget to wash your hands, because that's the best way you're going to stop spreading this virus. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.